I can see 17 participants, except me and host. 15 participants are there. In that also Latif has joined through 2 devices. So totally 14 participants are there. So I want in these 14 participants to answer, except Latif, me and host, others can answer. What is the first question? Just for first question, you tell the journal entries. $2,000 amount received from Mr. Akash.
Ma'am, you call by name. Who should be answering? Like,
Sorry?
you should call by name.
That is what, if I call the name only, they will answer, I think so.
इसमें आपको टैली का है तो
Who is the
Ma'am,
host?
cash account debit to Mr. Akash account.
Your name?
Shazia, ma'am.
Shazia. So great. Cash account data to Mr. Akash account. It is correct. Mr. Akash account comes under which group?
Cash in hand.
Cash comes under cash in hand. Akash comes under which group? He is in which place?
Receipt payment, ma'am.
He is in which place? Debit place or credit place?
Credit place, ma'am.
If he is a credit place, then he will become a creditor. Okay.
Yes.
Latif, come back. Come back. Don't create new one. Come back. Click on company option.
Where, ma'am? Here.
Company, yeah. Alt K, yeah. Click on select. Why only one company is showing here?
Yes, ma'am. I am also.
Have you reinstalled your Tally?
No, ma'am.
No. Come back again. Have you changed your system or the same system?
Same system, ma'am.
Fine. Anyway, you can create a new company.
Okay.
Have you deleted any companies?
No, ma'am.
You don't do any changes in the company Humanify. Okay, until I tell you. Don't even touch that company after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
So Shazia answer is correct. Cash account data to Akash account. Akash will come under the sundry creditor because Akash is a name which is in credit place. Okay, cash is cash in hand. Control A, accept. Now go to vouchers. Click on receipt voucher, right side. Click on change mode.
Yes, ma'am. My screen is little damaged, ma'am. I can't see there, so I will minimize it. Okay, ma'am. I have taken it as receipt, ma'am.
Click on change mode and change it for debit and credit. That is a double entry mode.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it is already there in the double entry mode.
Yes,
you can do this once again. Yeah. Okay, done. So now two means what? What you have to create in the two?
Ma'am, cash account, ma'am.
No. So Ashazia, can you repeat your answer once again?
To Akash.
Exactly, to Akash account. So create Akash account there. 2 means Akash you have to take. Understand? No. So take Akash account under sundry creditor. Control A, accept. Give the amount. On account you take. Do enter. Take cash there. Accept. Control A, accept. You have to do little bit faster for today. Every
Okay, ma'am.
time, once you give a name, amount, control A, accept. Control
Okay,
A
ma'am.
to do, it will get accepted. Next voucher. So next entry, show the question. Question also keep it ready, okay? So no need of
Ma'am,
always going there. Yeah. Little bit zoom you do. Yeah, so who will be the next person to answer? Second question. 2000 check and 500 cash given by Arun and company. Who will answer this question?
2000 bank account, 500 cash to Arun and company.
Exactly. So to Arun and company. Arun and company comes under which group?
Creditor.
Creditor. Correct. So now go to your tally. Alt tab. You use Alt tab.
okay, ma'am.
Use Alt tab. Yeah. Control A because Sunday creditor it is already there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Control A. 2500 total amount. Do enter on account. Do enter. Do enter. Create a bank account here. Bank account.
Ma'am, which bank account?
Don't
SBI, ma'am.
use mouse. If you use mouse, you will become slow. Don't use mouse. Okay. Use your keyboard only. Only keyboard. Enter. Select your bank account. Control A. Accept. Don't use mouse anywhere until I tell you. Okay. Again,
Okay, ma'am.
enter key from the keyboard. Enter
Ma'am,
key from the keyboard. You change the amount. 2000.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. Do enter from the keyboard. Again, do enter from the keyboard. Enter from the keyboard. Select cash using the arrow keys from the key. Using the arrow
Okay,
keys.
ma'am.
Again, you're using a mouse only. Don't use
Okay, ma'am.
mouse. Use your arrow keys for selecting. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, keep it in a mind. Don't use mouse while you're working in a tally. Okay. Fine. So accept control A. Next question. Scroll up. Hmm. Commission received by cash. Who will answer this question?
Ma'am, cash and company account to cash account.
No, it is not correct. Can you just give a clarity? Commission received by cash. Commission received
Commission
is a
account debtor to cash account.
commission received is a income. Now you
Cash
tell me
account to commission account, ma'am. Cash account.
exactly. Cash account to commission account. That is correct. I think Shazia told. Correct,
Okay,
no?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So cash account is a debit. Commission received is a income. Commission received will come under the credit place. Okay. So now using a Alt tab, create you have to do. Alt C. Use Alt C. Don't use a mouse. Use Alt C for
Okay, ma'am.
creation from the keyboard. Okay. Alt C. Exactly. So commission received. For creating a ledger, Alt C you have to use. Okay.
Okay.
Don't use mouse from here onwards. Commission received only you take. Don't write commission account. Because tally, we don't have that option here. Okay. Yes. Use backspace. Backspace from the keyboard. Yeah. Rewrite commission received. Don't use mouse. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do enter. You select.
Ma'am,
You select means you type indirect. It will come automatically. You type
which
indirect. Yeah.
Indirect income.
Yeah, type indirect income or use your arrow keys from the keyboard.
okay, ma'am.
Control A, accept. Give a amount here. Cash. Type cash, it will come. Do enter. Control A, accept. Using a Alt tab, you go to your questions. Alt tab from the keyboard. Exactly. Okay. Sold furniture for cash. So who will answer this question?
Furniture data to cash.
Sold furniture.
Furniture debit to sales account.
No, you're selling a furniture means furniture is going out.
Furniture
Cash to
credit
sales.
credit
Cash
to
account to
cash.
sales
Debit.
account, ma'am.
Can you
Furniture,
repeat?
ma'am, furniture data.
Cash account to sales account.
Cash account to sales is okay, but furniture is given there.
Furniture credit
Cash
Cash
account to
account to
furniture
furniture
account.
account.
Exactly.
Cash to furniture.
Exactly. Cash to furniture. Okay. Cash to furniture.
Okay,
Use
ma'am.
Alt tab. Yeah. So Alt C from the keyboard. Yeah. So furniture account. Do enter. You type asset. It will come automatically. You type asset. You type. Yes. You can see the right side. I mean fixed asset. Yeah. See the right side. Fixed asset. You select. Control A, you do accept, give the amount, total amount, do enter, select cash, do enter, accept. That's all. Okay, fine. So
Yeah.
next question. Alt tab only you do. Yeah. Next, last question. Who will answer this one? Interest received by check.
Indirect income, interest received,
Yes.
and a check bank account.
Yes. Entry you tell me.
Entry
Which
bank
comes under
account to
debit?
bank account to
Yes.
bank
Bank
account to
account to
interest
bank
account.
account, debtor to interest received account.
Yes, ma'am.
So go to your tally, Latif, using your Alt tab. Alt C. First you create interest received under indirect income. Next, Hamad, you have joined through PC.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can share your screen. Okay, indirect income. Control A, accept. Let Latif finish this transaction. Then you can share your tally screen. 1,500. 2,500. Okay. Bank is already there, I think. Yeah. Control A, accept. That's it. Okay. So now Hamad can share your screen. Latif, you can stop screen sharing. We'll give a chance to Hamad. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I can give even
And
remote access, ma'am. Even he can do it directly.
that's okay. Let him do share his screen for today. Okay.
Okay.
You can stop sharing. Okay. And you have to open the questions also. The one which I have shared you yesterday. Receipt entries question. The little bit advanced level. Minimize everything. Yeah. Open tally. Yeah. Simultaneous educational mode. Click on create company. You can create a company. You take our WhatsApp group name only. Yeah. Do enter. So these address and all, next time when you do create a company for practicing, you can do fill all the details. You only give a state, only state you can select. After the class, you practice. While practicing, you give all the information. For now, you can ignore it. Okay. Do enter. Type Karnataka. Yeah. Do enter. Yeah. Control A, you do accept. It will accept. Again, once again, you do Control A only. It will accept. I think there is some network problem. We will wait for 1 minute. Let him join. Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, it says the system has hanged.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can share your screen until he joins.
Okay, ma'am.
And open that one called advanced questions.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see the first question. See the
Agarwal
first
Medical
question.
Agency. Yes, ma'am.
Date you
Agarwal.
have, party account name you have, bill number you have, amount you have, deposit and check and bank name is there. Okay, so bank name is there, deposit, check and bank name. So deposit is a SBI and BOI. That is which bank? Our bank. Yesterday we created. Whatever bank we have created yesterday, we have created two bank accounts, correct? Na? SBI bank and BOI bank. So we are depositing to that bank. That is a deposit bank. Understood? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having any questions here? Deposit and bank name, two names are there. Deposit means whatever check we are receiving, we are depositing into our bank. That means yesterday we have opened the bank account. No, we have done the creation of a bank account with opening balance. SBI bank we created, and also we created a BOI bank in the yesterday's class. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So here what happens, whatever bank check we are receiving, we are depositing into that bank. We are depositing into that bank. So now I want like one by one to answer these questions. For these questions, Before we do it in the tally, I want you all to answer this question
Okay,
one by one. So I want the journal entries from your end before we do these things in the tally.
ma'am, Agarwal agency is the
Received a check from Agrawal Medical Agency. That means received Access Bank check from Agrawal Medical Agency.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, SB account is debit, ma'am. Credit side is Agarwal agency, ma'am.
No, no. You're depositing bank, you have to ignore. You're receiving a check from Access Bank.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? No. First one I have explained you. That means Access Bank is a check given by Agarwal Medical Agency.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Who will answer the next question? Who will answer the next question? ICICI Bank is received. ICICI Bank is given by Ankit Software.
ICICI to Ankit Software.
Tell me the complete journal entry.
ICICI bank account debit to Ankit software account.
Exactly. Correct. Okay. First two. Third one. No bank. It is a cash.
Cash account to Ansari stationery account.
Yes. Correct. Fine. First three questions we will do. Latif, you can give a remote control. Like say, Hamad, can you control the Latif system? Can you try one?
Yes, ma'am, but my system got hang, ma'am. How do I
Okay.
remote it?
Okay. No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. You can open the tally now. First, we will finish the three questions.
Yeah, ma'am, I will join through my mobile only.
Okay. Okay. So, the receipt project, first question you can create. So now how Latif is doing all other questions, you have to do it in the same way. Okay, there is no any difference. Like how yesterday you did a payment voucher, same way receipt voucher you should do. First three questions he will do. Okay. Control A, accept. Give the amount. Same way only it will come. No changes. The first transaction, how he is doing, all other transactions will come in the same way. Okay. Create Access Bank. You create Access Bank. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So take under bank account.
Ma'am,
Have you
I have to
taken
alter the.
bank?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go back and alter. It is done wrong now. Come back.
Yes, ma'am. I have to go to main menu,
Here
ma'am.
you cannot do alter. You have to come back.
Ma'am,
Click S, come back. Go to alter option there. Ledgers. Select Access Bank. Yes, from here you change it for bank account under the group. Do enter, press enter. Yeah. bank account. Yeah, accept. Now you come back, go to a receipt voucher and do the transaction. While giving a access bank, give all the details. Do enter. While doing a access bank, it will ask you check number, instrument number, everything. Correct? No, I mean instrument number, instrument date, it is asking. So anyway, you
Yes, ma'am.
have information, right? You have to fill that information there. Okay,
ma'am.
fine. For this one, you have not given. For the next question, you give. So for next question, create the next party account.
Yes, ma'am. Ankit Software.
Ankit Software, ICICI Bank. This is under sundry creditor.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Not here. Here, if you have a account number, you can give account number.
no, ma'am, I don't have.
Okay. If there is no account number, you can accept.
Ma'am, here I have to give.
Yes, here only you have to give the check number, instrument number and instrument date. Instrument date, anyway, that date will not accept. You can take 1st April. Okay, whatever date you have there, you have to give the same date. But we are all practicing in educational mode, so you give 1st April only. Do enter. And the instrument check number you can give. Enter you have to give everywhere. Okay, then only it will work. Enter. Do enter. Here you give. See, you're doing little bit faster. Here, you're okay, but others should not get confused. Correct. Instrument number you do. Instrument date you see by default it is showing you 1st April only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do enter. Bank name you type ICICI Bank. Okay. Specify the bank name. Click on specify the bank name. Yeah, ICICI Bank. Enter. That's all. Accept. Understood? No. What is the next question?
Ma'am, what is the SBI here, ma'am?
Sorry.
Ma'am, in the question they have given SBI deposit to SBI. Check number 192091. Check is of bank ICICI Bank, but the amount is deposited in SBI Bank, ma'am.
So can anyone answer for this question? Anyone can answer for this question. What is deposit column there?
The second one, ma'am.
Yes. What is mean by deposit column there? You have two banks, no?
Yes, ma'am. Bank of India and SBI Bank, ma'am.
Yeah, so you can answer this question. Just now I explained you. Anybody?
Ma'am, my question was here we given Axis Bank, but we don't have any Axis Bank account, ma'am. It's a
You are not
party's bank
having
account.
an Axis Bank. That Axis
Yes.
Bank, if you want to deposit, you have to deposit in the payment voucher. You are not doing a payment voucher. You are doing a receipt voucher. Here only received transactions you have to enter. How you are receiving a transaction. Agarwal is giving, how he is giving, which check he is giving. Only those details you will enter in the receipt voucher.
Ma'am, I will enter that.
That deposit you should not do here. Understood? No. You didn't understood still. You are giving only the receipt transactions you are entering here. Only Agarwal is giving a Axis Bank check. That means only Axis Bank and Agarwal it has to come. Yesterday, you have created two opening balance account. Two accounts, opening balance. Bank of India and SBI. That bank is, whose bank is that?
Ma'am, it's a owner's bank, ma'am.
That is our bank. Correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever
Yes, ma'am.
check we are giving, we have to deposit it, deposit in our bank.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am.
But that is a contra entry. Okay, depositing comes under the contra entry. But here you are only first entering a receipt. Later on your deposit will come. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Later on your deposit will come. How it will come? Access Bank check deposited into SBI. Access Bank check deposited into BOI.
Ma'am, amount is debited in which account, ma'am? SBI
Amount,
bank account.
which bank account they have given you deposit into that bank? They have mentioned you right which
We
bank
will-
account.
We have two accounts, ma'am, like Bank of India and SBI Bank.
Then you
Whatever check we get, we will put
Whatever.
those checks for collection in SBI Bank or Bank of India, ma'am.
Which question they have given, where they have given you to deposit, you deposit there only. Access Bank check, you deposit to SBI Bank. ICICI Bank check, you deposit to SBI Bank. They have given you no bank check and deposit. They have already given you right.
Okay, ma'am.
Bank name, depositing bank name, they have already given you right.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Receiving
SBI.
bank name, depositing bank name is already given. Given, correct now? So
Yes, ma'am.
receiving and giving bank. So receiving bank is nothing about deposit. Giving bank is bank, that bank name. And you in the receipt, you should not take or consider deposit. You have to consider the bank name from which bank you are getting that check and who is a person given. That details you will enter in the receipt entry. After that, you will deposit a money, SBI same 12705, you will deposit into the SBI. So how you will deposit? There again you will take an Access Bank. Access Bank deposited. Understood? Even if you are not showing this entry also in the like cash at bank, all this last column, whatever is there now, all that last column it will show in the cash at bank. All these people are current liabilities. Current liabilities. They are creditors. All these are creditors only. Okay. If you want to increase your debit, say current asset, these are all current liability. That means sundry creditors. And you are receiving a check from them and you are depositing into your bank. Two different entries it will be there. First entry is a receipt and we are doing only receipt because this question is purely receipt only. See the heading also. Past the following receipt entries only it is taken. So we have to consider only receipt. We should ignore the deposit here. Okay. They have given you the deposit means Axis Bank or ICICI Bank, you have to deposit to that respective bank they have told. That's all. Okay. But SBI or Bank of India is our bank account. It's a owner's bank account. Any check is depositing to his personal bank there. Okay.
Okay.
Clear, no? Is it clear? Still you have any confusions?
Yes, ma'am. I still have. I'm not sure.
Still what confusions you have?
Ma'am, can you explain me once again, ma'am? To this.
First point, you ignore the deposit column here. Don't concentrate on deposit. Because deposit column is a owner's bank account. Okay. You
Yes, ma'am.
ignore the deposit column. Rest of the things you concentrate so that you will understand. Here, party account is a Agarwal Medical Agency. Bank name is given. So these questions, it is a real time live questions, like how Kiran sir has given you same way. So here, Axis Bank is given. Check number is given. Check number and Axis Bank both are same. Okay. So the check number is related to Axis Bank. Okay. So Axis Bank is given. Party account is given. Receipt means what you will consider. Receipt is a incoming. It is a coming. It is incoming payment for us. Okay. So you are getting a Axis Bank check from Agarwal Medical Agency. You are getting
ma'am.
ICICI Bank check from Ankit Software. You are getting a cash from Ansari Stationery. You are getting a
Yes.
PNB check from Bharati Medical Store. SBI check from Dayal Enterprises. Cash from Hari Stationery. Understood? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, ma'am,
Yeah.
once I get that check, where I will put that check to for clearance, ma'am?
To your owner bank account.
Ma'am, is it like, for example, I'm taking a check from Axis, from Agarwal Medical Agency. It is from Axis Bank, and I'm
Yes.
depositing it to the SBI Bank, which is my bank.
Correct. Exactly. 2 entries.
Okay, ma'am. I got
There.
it.
We are doing only receipt. We are not doing a second entry. Only first entry we are doing here. Only first question we are doing, first entry. Second entry we are not doing for now we are not doing. Okay.
I'm unable to hear you, ma'am.
For now we are not doing a second entry. We are doing only the receipt entry. You are receiving a check from Axis Bank. That one you are doing in the receipt voucher. Later that check you are depositing into a SBI. That comes under the contra entry. That is purely related to bank contra entry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. There are two transactions here, ma'am. Like one is Axis Bank. We are just taking the check and taking check from Agarwal Agency. Then we will deposit in SBI Bank. That is the different entry, ma'am.
Correct. Now you understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here for this question, it is asked only for the receptor. We are doing only receptor. We are not doing a contra. For now, we are not doing. Maybe in the upcoming classes, we can use. As of now, we are not doing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are concentrating only on the receptor. Later classes, same question we can use for contra also. Okay. All the questions will come. All till the last, all questions are receipt only. All the party account will come under Sunday creditor only. Okay. And if it is a bank name, take bank name under the debit.
Ma'am, contra entries even mean that creditors account, like Axis Bank account, creditors account, ma'am. Creditors account, ma'am. It is.
You don't get confused and don't make others confused. Still, we have not discussed the contra. We are doing receipt only. We will do receipt only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Once the contra entry comes, then I will explain you clearly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So you are getting confused and making others also more confusion here. So don't do complicate. Concentrate on what I am explaining you only on those things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Contra entry, still we have a time. We will learn in the upcoming classes. Fine.
Okay.
Thank you. That's all for today's class.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.